1968 Chevrolet Impala four-door sedan here at Unique, especially in classics. Numbers matching original 307 underneath the hood. That is paired up with a automatic transmission. Power steering. Has had a repaint. This was a Tripoli turquoise car, K paint code, as well as turquoise cloth interior. Looks like the original cloth interior. We're gonna get to that here in just a bit. First, you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the engine bay. Check out the underside. Looks like the original floor pans, interior. Check out those still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can always call us, 507-386-1726. Car's nice and straight. Look at the length of those body lines, the panels on it. Look at that. So paint shows well, but like I said, it has had a repaint. It's a little newer paint. As far as interior, when I mentioned appeared to be original turquoise interior, there you go, get an idea of it. We'll get around to the driver's side, let you check it out a little closer from that side also. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. In the trunk picture, you're going to see that there is a car cover. Car cover will be included in the sale and stay in the trunk when it is shipped off to the new owner. And once again, those still pictures, if you want to see them, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Going to take you right there. Take a look up and down the driver's side. See that this is also nice and straight. Now, as far as in the paint, you do have some imperfections. Notice there's little spots kind of in the clear back here where you'll see it. Maybe a touch up here or there. So paint, is it perfect on this car? No, but hey, is it a fun one to get in, drive, turn the key and go? Absolutely. Still take it to any of your roll-ins, local cruise-ins, local shows. Have a blast with this car. All right, get into the classic car hobby without breaking the bank either. Like maybe a 68 Impala SS or 63 SS. Definitely gonna save a few bucks, obviously, on the sedan, and still be able to have a classic car, have some fun. All right. So again, very stock looking interior. Looks like the original interior cloth vinyl blend. I do have pictures in with the still pictures underneath the carpeting. See, you can see that. Looks like original carpeting. Yes, it is faded out some just from sun. There's the exact miles. 80,982. AM radio, did have that working. What I like to call 1968 navigation. Wipers also worked. Take a look at the top of the dash. Also in nice shape. And the seats free of pretty much any rips, tears, holes, anything like that. Just showing its age some. Headliner good. There you can see, or listen if you hear it. Radio warmed up and came on. Sounds as you'd expect, a 1968 307 to sound. No crazy exhaust, big cam, anything like that. Just a stock sounding V8. All right, I'm going to pause this a second, and let's check out underneath the hood. Look at this engine bay.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Numbers matching 307, power steering. And again, that's paired up with that automatic transmission. Very stock looking engine bay. As you expect this vintage of car to have. A little over 80,000 miles on it. 1968 Chevrolet Impala four-door sedan. Numbers matching. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the descriptions. It will take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.